going on there, guys? Mr. E85, and as you know, we are coming to a complete position of getting the supercharger installed on the Marauder. I just wanted to give you guys some updates because you know this project's been going on for a long time, and I'm all about run what you brung. Of course, we're out here doing a build that shops do outside in a parking lot, like I've always put these cars together and like I've always done so many projects. And while we're moving facilities and we're going to have a great upgrade to being able to do all these cars, I can't do it without you guys' support. So I definitely want you to stay tuned. I want you to smash that subscribe button if you haven't yet, especially for all my Panther guys, my Cobra guys, my Mustang bros, and my Co-bros. We got to get you guys out there, and especially my guys that want to do tuning as well. I'm going to be covering so much, especially about the process of moving this Marauder not only to E85 but also supercharging it, all with stock exhaust. So I want you guys to come in, and I greatly appreciate the support that we've had thus far. I'm going to get these parts on here and knocked out so we can get that supercharger video to you as soon as possible. And I'm so excited and ready to ride this car. You just don't understand. It's going to be amazing. So thanks for the support, guys, and stay tuned, and make sure you like, share, and subscribe, and make sure you hit that bell for the notifications. We're trying to get to that 1,000 subscribers as soon as possible.